ride with us.
What it do? Y'all know who it is, Mr. 602, bringing you some footage from the Sanctuary 4. We're about to get this cracking, man. They've got Lolos, they've got classics, they've got American muscle imports. There's gonna be all kinds of festivities cracking here today. We are about to get it in. Remember, we are out here in Phoenix, Arizona at Wild Horse Pass, about to get it popping. It's your man T with Arizona Riders Club. Please ride with us.